Yeah, we're back. This mini ProBook touchscreen system was brought in by an engineer. So he has actually used, but the system powers up but doesn't display. And this may likely be a result of a BIOS failure because it's common with this particular HP system. So I'm going to show you how to run a BIOS on this system, because the BIOS chip is visible, so we don't need to dismantle the system. Now we just take out the RAM and we prepare the positioning for the BIOS chip. You see that slot is where the BIOS the system number is, of which you're going to use to look for the BIOS chip online that you run on this motherboard. On getting it, you need to run the BIOS chip on a BIOS programmer, which I'll be showing you soon. So let's bring out the BIOS chip. That is exactly where it is located. That's why we don't need to open the system. So once it's out, we hit so we can bring the chip out. Click close it, the chip is out, so allow it to cool. So that's the BIOS programmer. You insert and you search. It's already connected to the other system. So what we do now, we downloaded the file already, so it's to run it directly so we can correct the issue with the display problem. So we're done with the programming of the BIOS, so we return it back to the position where we removed it from. Now after this, you still let it to cool for some time before test running the system for the last time to be sure that the stuff that we did worked. So here we're still trying to fix in the chip properly, and so let's see if what we did would work. Let's exercise a little bit patience, because most times after running the BIOS chip, it needs to get acquainted with the system. So let's hold on and wait for the display to pop up. And here we go. It's all done. So the write-ups there is still showing us that the machine is still reading the files. So automatically, this is a job well done.